A simple sentence conveys a complete idea with one independent clause, consisting of a subject and a verb. It starts with a capital letter and ends with punctuation. Fragments lack a subject or verb, while comma splices improperly connect two independent clauses. Simple sentences are categorized into 4 types: declarative, interrogative, exclamatory, and imperative. Declarative sentences state facts. Interrogative sentences ask questions. Exclamatory sentences express strong emotions. And imperative sentences issue commands or requests. Each type ends with a specific punctuation mark. Declarative sentences convey information or state facts. They start with a capital letter and end with a period. Common in both writing and speaking, examples include, Anna plays soccer every Saturday. The cat is fat, and the bus can go. Interrogative sentences are used to ask questions. They start with a capital letter and end with a question mark. Commonly, they begin with words like who, what, when, where, why, or how, or with helping verbs such as is, are, do, or can. Examples include, are you playing soccer this Saturday? And where is my bike? Exclamatory sentences convey strong emotions like excitement or surprise. They start with a capital letter and end with an exclamation mark. Examples include, I love soccer, and what a beautiful day. These sentences effectively express intense feelings, making them powerful tools in communication. Imperative sentences issue commands or requests, starting with a capital letter and ending with a period or exclamation mark. The subject you is implied. Examples include, go to soccer practice on Saturday, let's go, and please close the door. Identify sentence types. The cat is fat is declarative. An imperative example is, close the door. Exclamatory sentences end with an exclamation mark like, what a sunny day. Understanding these distinctions enhances clarity in communication. Let's practice matching. A declarative sentence is, the cat is fat. An interrogative sentence is, are you playing soccer? An exclamatory sentence is, what a beautiful day. An imperative sentence is, please close the door. A declarative sentence tells something and ends with a period. An interrogative sentence asks a question. An exclamatory sentence shows strong feeling and ends with an exclamation mark. An imperative sentence gives a command. The Pilgrims left England in 1620 to practice religious freedom. They sailed across the Atlantic Ocean. The Mayflower landed on Cape Cod instead of Virginia. The trip was stormy and difficult, lasting 66 days. Are you aware of their challenges? What a remarkable journey. Explore the library for more on the Pilgrims.